Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I wanted to discuss two things with you guys today. And you guys may want to punch me in the face for this, but you guys will see what I'm talking about in a second. But before I get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton, and if you guys click that like button, you know you're helping me a lot with the YouTube algorithm and stuff, so I can reach more people. So thank you all for doing so, and let's just get into it. So right here, you guys can see that my portfolio is down around $9.50 today, which is absolutely terrible. I agree, terrible, terrible, terrible. Compared to yesterday's date where we were up around 6.5%. We lost a majority of it. But I'm going to be explaining in today's video, in a moment after I go over my portfolio, how I'm planning to make the money and why I'm not cutting losses and everything like that. But let me just go over my portfolio really quick. So weekly, I'm up around 1.8%, not so bad. And monthly, we're up around 13%, which I think, in my opinion, is pretty good. But we are aiming for a different goal, which I'll be talking about in the second part. So first part, really quickly, portfolio update and my perspective on the stock. What I'm planning to do with my stock, Gush right here, what I'm planning to trade. And second of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how this is the part you guys might want to punch me in the face for. So actually, I'll keep it a secret until you guys get to the other part. So looking at Gush right here, you guys can see that it's not very good. It just fell a crap ton today. It fell by around 5%, and after hours it fell. Oh no, it went up by 3%. 3 cents. Not so much. It's not honestly my best trading day, obviously, as you guys can see. But what I'm looking at right now is basically why I haven't cut my losses yet is one simple reason. Well, actually, two simple reasons, really quick. So first of all, let me delete this ad. All right, there you go. So first of all, this has happened previously. You guys can see that Gush has dipped down below the support previously. Maybe not as much as this time, but it's similar. And the second part that's supporting it is that the RSI is completely oversold. And if it has been oversold previously around the same areas where it is right now, then the chance of history repeating itself is pretty high, right? So in my opinion, I think this stock still has the potential to bounce up to at least around 12.50, so I can at least break even or make like a few cents profit per share. But in optimal form, I'd really take the if it went up to resistance, then we take the $14 per share, so that'd be a $1.50 profit, around $20 profit in total with my position size. But like I said, two things that prevented me from cutting losses today. First of all, this has happened before. Right here, it has happened before, and the RSI was around the same area where it is right now. So, in my opinion, I think it's gonna do the same thing. But yeah, that's it. I think it's still gonna bounce up. But let me know what you guys think about Gush right now in the comment section below. Scroll down and let me know what you guys think. I want to hear what you guys think about Gush. You think I'm doing a good job with it? Bad job? What you guys think I could do better? And if you guys are trading it yourselves. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I read all of them. Alright guys, so now to the second part of the video where I'm going to be telling you guys how I'm going to kind of change my trading strategy and goals. So first of all, you guys know that my previous goal was to take $200 to $1 million in the span of around 3 to 4 years, which I could do the math in front of you guys, but I don't want to waste your time. You guys can do it in your own time, but this video, I just want to show you guys what I'm changing. So it was supposed to be from 200 to $1 million in 3 to 4 years with an average interest rate of 5%. 5% is a lot, honestly. 5% a week is almost inachievable by the average trader. I have had many years of experience in the stock market so far, but I still don't think it's possible, and I've tried this, to hit 5% a week consistently. I have hit 5% before, previously. Actually, a lot more than 5% a week. I think it was the first few videos I made. It was crazy. We went from $500 up until $800 in like within the span of 2 months or so. So that was crazy growth, but it was not sustainable. I tried options, messed it up, and right now we're here again. And some weeks are 5%, and some weeks are less. Some weeks are in the negative 1% or negative few percent. But what I decided would be like the optimal number for my goal every week to make is, drumroll please. All right, it's 2% a week. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you guys think about 2% growth every week? I think it's achievable, and considering the growth of my account, let's just take $176, how much I have right now, just as an example, right? So we take an interest rate of 2%, and there's 52 weeks in a year. Trust me, I'm doing these calculations right. It says years, but they don't have compounding weekly frequency, so yes. Right here, you guys can see $176, 52 weeks, and 2% calculated. Within 1 year, we would have around $500. It may not seem like a lot, $500 in your Robinhood portfolio, but don't worry, I may, once I get some side hustles going, I may be adding some more to this Robinhood portfolio. But right now, our goal is to hit around $500 in a year, which may sound like it's not a lot at all. You guys are like probably like, Casper, what the heck, $500 in a year? But think about it in percentage wise. What I'm focusing now is on the experience and knowledge, not really about the dollar value. Once I get really good, definitely I'll be trading with higher sums of money. But right now, think about the knowledge and experience. So that's basically more than doubling your money in a year. In 1 year, more than doubling your money. How would you guys like that? Doubling your money every year? And this is achievable. In my opinion, this is definitely achievable. And I'm going to be showing you guys my daily uploads and how I'm able to do that. And I did a quick chart to show you guys sort of my goals on this. So I made this chart. I had a previous chart that was similar to this, but we're gonna make a brand new one, tracking your growth, and only 2% a week. Well, I shouldn't say only, because 2% a week is not very bad, actually, in all honesty. So right now, I did the math for the first few weeks, but I'm gonna go through you with one more calculation just to show you guys what I'm doing right here. So first week right now, we're at $176. We're starting today. Today, that's right. Well, kind of next week already. Next week I want to hit 2%, but this week as well. We're almost there for this week. So we'll be starting week 2 tomorrow, basically. So yes, right here you guys can see the first 2 weeks, and I did the math on them. So by end of week 1, we should be at around $180. By week 2, we should be at around $183. And what it is that I do here, I take 100, well, like the last sum of the week legal, I put it into the calculator, $183 it was, and we grow it by 2% that week. So basically showing you guys that I always like to round because it's not going to be always exact. So $186 by the end of week 3, 186.5-ish. So, and I'm going to be tracking my growth with this right here. So right now we would be like at around, I don't know, maybe by the end of the week we'll be at around 180 or so. So I'd write that in, and this bar will show up, and then let's say we're at 183 right here, well, 184. Let's say we do $1 more, and then this week we get 186 somehow, or we trade up to 108. So you guys can kind of see. You guys can see that the graph ends up looking pretty nice, and I think it's a great way to show the growth, so we can track it nicely and evenly. So officially saying growth progress is changing from 5% to 2%, because the 5% has really changed my trading style into making me go into big positions with big profit margins, but also big margins for loss. So it's kind of made me go for like the big risk, big reward, just because I was trying to hit the 5% every week. But now, once I dial it down, I'm going to be trying to hit more consistent gains, but not as large. I still would be trading these ETFs, but I'm going to be keeping way closer attention to my stop losses. I'm definitely going to set stop losses, cut my losers short, and then let my winners run. So definitely the trading style will change, and you guys will see that in the upcoming videos. So yes, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys all for watching, and peace out.